answer. Ma'am,
Yes.
can you give a question to do on my
Yes.
own?
In rough book. Yes, you can do it.
Ma'am. 3 by 8 multiplied by
You should see the cancellation and do it.
8.
Next question. 3 by 8 into 2 by 15.
I got that.
Do by yourself. Don't talk. Then we can write the class notes.
Ma'am, is it
Copy the
2 by
question.
40? Ma'am, is it 2 by 40?
Which one? Answer.
2 by 15. No, ma'am. Answer. Answer 2 by 40.
2 by 40 or 14?
40. Wrong 0.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I say one, ma'am?
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am,
Uh,
ma'am, I got 2 answers in this. First one is 2 by 8 and 2 by 40.
2 by?
Ma'am, she got 2 answers. 2 by 8 and 2 by 40.
She got 2 answers.
Yes. Yeah, ma'am, I'm not cleared with this one. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Wait. 1 minute. Yes, tell me the question now. Tell
3
me the
by
question.
8 and 2 by 50.
2 by 8 into. What is the question I told you?
3 by 8 into
3 by 8.
3 by 8 into 2 by 15.
2 by 15. Okay, 3 you cannot write in the simplest form. You leave like that only. 8 you can write it as, because here 1, 2 is there. Adjust with the 2, 4 into 2. Again, 2 you cannot do anything. You write as it is. But 15 you can write it as, because 1, 3 is there in the numerator.
Sorry, 15
5 into 3.
into 5, right?
Yes, 3 into 5. Again, 3
Okay,
got
ma'am.
cancelled.
And 3 and 2 will go.
2 and 2 will get cancelled. Nothing is there in the numerator. So consider it as
Ma'am, is
1.
that 4 by 5? Ma'am, is it 4 by... Sorry, I mean...
Oh,
Ma'am, is that 1 by
5 will
20?
be 20.
20.
Ma'am, 1 by 20?
1 by 20. Yes.
20. Okay.
Is it okay now? Manav and
Okay,
Sundari.
ma'am.
Sarah?
Ma'am, I don't have any...
Yes.
Understood now. Felix? Manas, did you understand?
Understood.
I have a doubt.
Tell me.
Ma'am, 3 by 8 into 2 by 15. Here the numbers we can simplify. They are the denominators.
Yes.
So we should write 4. If we take 8, we should write 4 into 2 at the as the denominator and
Yes.
3 on the top.
Yes. 4 into 2 in the denominator.
Yeah.
And 15 you can write it as 3 into 5.
5.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, fine.
Then 3 is there in the numerator, 1 denominator, you cancel it. 2 is there here, 2 also you get cancelled. There is no other cancellation. So you write it as 1 by 20. One more problem you want to write?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
No need, ma'am.
No need. Shall we write the notes?
Ma'am, ma'am. Please write.
Next question you write. If you want one more, you can write it. Five by 21. 3 by 8 into 5 by 21.
Ma'am, is this rough book?
Rough book. Now we can
Question.
3 by 8 into 5 by 21. If you are understanding, we can go for the class notes.
5 by 21.
Ma'am, what is the
Ma'am,
question?
21.
21. Here 8.
21 by
Now here 8 into 5 by 21.
3 by 8 into 5 by 21.
8 into 5 by 21.
Somebody unmuted.
And it's Siddhi.
Siddhi, please mute. Yes, Aditi, what is
Ma'am,
that?
is this
I'm doing
ma'am,
it.
is this the class note?
No, no,
Is
no.
this their class notes?
Rough book you can write.
No.
So
No.
many of them not understood. They told Maria, what is the answer? You got it?
Ma'am, can
Yes.
I say?
What is the answer you got?
Can I say the answer?
Yes, you can say now.
Ma'am, I got 5 by 50.
Ma'am,
5 by 5.
Ma'am, can I say ma'am Aditi?
Yes, Aditi.
Ma'am, 5 by 56.
Yes. Let us check the answer now.
Ma'am, I also got 5
You
by
also
Ma'am,
got.
I also got 5 by 56.
Okay, now you understood. Mayuk, what is your answer?
Ma'am, same.
Same. Then Dia,
Ma'am,
5 by 56. Janvi,
ma'am,
yes,
5 by 56.
5 by 56. Navneet,
Ma'am, 5 by 56.
okay. So all of them a little bit, some few students not understood. That's all. Robin, Rudra, Robin, you got the answer?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah, yes, tell me, Srihari.
Ma'am, after simplifying the fractions,
Yes.
I got 4 into 2, 8.
4 into 2, no need of writing. If you are writing 4 into 2, it will not get cancelled anywhere. Because no
Oh.
need of making it bigger again.
Okay, ma'am. So we
You should
should
see
only
where
write
cancellation
one.
is there only you should take it. Otherwise, your problem will go long.
21. Because
Ma'am,
if we take
Yes.
8,
But 8 and 21 can be simplified, right?
So 3 by 8, because 8 there is no,
It cannot-
nothing is there, 2 stable in the denominator. So you
There
write
is
as it is.
no common.
3
But
into
in
7.
21, we'll get 3 into 7.
Then 5,
3
here
is
1 is
there in the
5 by
numerator
8
denominator.
into 7 is 56. That's all.
Ma'am, we can simplify
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
You cannot simplify again. Why you are simplifying? There is no
We
denominator
cannot
terms.
simplify.
4 into 2, no need of writing. Because if
Ma'am-
it is necessary, you write. Otherwise, no need of. Yes,
Ma'am,
Aditi.
can I say how I did it?
Yes.
Ma'am, I wrote 3 by 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 by 3 into 7.
There is
Okay.
no
You can
common.
write it. But 2
Then
into
also
2
I
into
got
2,
5
again
by
you should multiply. That's all. Instead of that, you see which are the terms in the numerator which will get cancelled. If it is there, you write it. Otherwise, no need of writing it. Okay. Is it clear now, Avantika?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we write the notes in class notes? Anyone want the problems? Not necessary. They understood, I think. So we can go the class. Yes. Multiplication of fractions. Heading you write. Multiplication of fractions.
Ma'am, I
It's about to be over.
Yes.
No, the time ends soon.
Who is that?
Now I can see the
Someone is.
board. Ma'am, I cannot see the board. Can you?
You cannot see the
Yeah,
board.
now I can see, ma'am. Ma'am,
Now
I
you
can
can.
see now.
Once
I
again, I
can
will
see
share
now.
it.
No need, I can see.
You can see. Multiplication of fractions. Heading you write.
Ma'am, I hope.
Yes, ma'am.
Devarsh, are you following now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shall we go to the next slide? Multiply the following fractions.
Yes, ma'am.
Multiply
show the heading, ma'am, please.
multiplication of fractions.
Ma'am, can you quickly show the first slide again?
This is the
I
first
have some
slide,
network
multiplication
issues.
of fractions.
Okay, ma'am. You can finish, ma'am.
Multiply the following fractions. First question, you copy it. You want to do it, you will do by yourself. Afterwards, I will discuss it. Can you do it? 2 into this is a complete number with a fraction. So 2 by 1 into 2 by 10, you should do it.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
after
first
do-
question, can
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, after doing this, we have to multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with
Yes,
denominator.
if any simplification is not there, you multiply. Here some simplification is there, there only you can cancel it.
Ma'am, first question can you do with us?
Yes. So you can write 2 by 1. It is in the simplest form.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. What is the answer? 5 into 2, it will get cancelled. And 2 will-
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
What is the answer?
Taking, ma'am.
Ma'am, 2 by
I
1.
2 by 5. 5.
Ma'am, 2 by
Ma'am, I
5.
got 2 by 1, ma'am.
1, it will not come because 10 is there. 10 means you have to write it as 5 into 2.
Yes.
Ma'am,
So-
is the answer 2 by
Okay,
5?
ma'am. Okay.
5 is remaining in the denominator. 2 is remaining in the numerator. So 2 by 5. Here 1 is there. Here 1 into 5 is there. That's all. So 2 by 5. All of you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Who did not get? Who did not
Ma'am,
understand? Afterwards,
ma'am,
don't say.
Ma'am, is the first one 4 by 10?
Who?
Felix.
Felix not understood.
Was the answer?
2 into 2 divided by 1.
Another was the answer.
2 by 5. 5 into 2. You
Will
write.
you send the notes in WhatsApp? I can't write.
Can everyone keep quiet?
2 by 5.
No. Okay.
Adidev, please mute. Thanvin, please mute.
Ma'am, finished?
Yes, Felix, did you understand now?
This much only.
This much only.
Okay. So,
Now, who is having doubt? Second problem, you try to do it.
Again, it's what I want to try the second question.
chapter number? Ma'am,
Yes.
Multiplication.
ma'am, I can't see the board.
Who cannot see the board?
Maybe a network issue. Yeah.
Ma'am, first we have to under 2 we should put 1 and 5 into 2 equals 10. The chapter number what?
Yes,
Yeah,
Srihari,
ma'am.
please wait, Srihari. He is
Ma'am,
clearing some doubt.
Yes.
Yes, please wait. He is talking. Yes, tell me now. Clear it.
So 5 into 2 is 10.
Yes.
And we should cancel both those 2's and it will be 2 by 5. That only no.
That only answer. That much only.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
Srihari, what is the doubt?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Second
Ma'am,
one.
Aditi.
Srihari.
Yes, Srihari.
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
Yes, others, please
Ma'am,
mute.
I got the
Srihari.
answer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
ma'am.
Srihari.
Yes, Siddhi, please mute. Yes, Srihari.
Ma'am, what is the chapter number?
Chapter number 10. Yes, Siddhi, what is your doubt now?
Ma'am, I don't have any doubt. I just got the answer.
Okay. Yes, Aditi, what is your doubt?
I missed the second one. First step 5 by 1.
Let me see now. Wait. Yes, 5 by 1. 5 by 1 into 3
Into
by
3 by 20. Instead of 20, we will write it as 4 into 5.
Only 5 will get cancelled. 1 is there here, 3 is there. 1 into 3 is 3. Here also 1 is there, so 3 by 4.
Ma'am, so if every time the whole number's first step will be 5 by 1 number,
Yes, every
that
whole
number
number
by
can be expressed as a fraction with denominator 1.
1. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. The
Yes.
answer is 3 by 4, right?
Yes, correct.
Ma'am, for the next one, we can reduce 6 and 12, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, for the
For the
first
third
question, we
one,
need to do the
Section.
crossing, right?
Yes, Siddhi is
Ma'am,
clearing one
can you
doubt. You
write
let
it
her wait
again?
for her. Yes, Siddhi. Yes, Siddhi, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, in the third question, ma'am, in 6 and 12, we can reduce it, right?
Yes,
The
6
third
and 12.
one.
You can both no need of reducing. You write in the
Can you share the board?
Yes, who is having doubt now?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
Aditi.
Ma'am, can you write it again?
Yes, I will write it. I did not do it. I am doing now. Yes, Srihari, what is your doubt? Felix, are you doing the third problem now? Yes.
Ma'am, the second one. Excuse me.
6 divided by 1 into 2 divided by 12.
2 by
So 6 divided
12.
by 1 into 2 divided by 6 into 2.
2 by 6
6 is
into
6
In the
common.
first question, ma'am, in the first question, crossing. In that, we should cross. There are 3 common numbers, right? There are 3 2s.
That is first one 2 by 1 into 2
Ma'am,
by 10.
Ma'am, first 2 by 2, right?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, allow him to talk now. Others, please mute. Others, please mute.
answer 2 by 2.
2 by 2. Yes, 2 by 2 is equal to 1.
How did we get 2? It's 1, right?
Answers 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So answer is 1.
Okay, ma'am. So we would only like 1, not
Yes, you have to write
divided
it
by
as 1.
only 1, not divided by.
No, 1 means 1.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
The first question,
Yes,
first we need to make 2 into a fraction. So we will write 2 by 1 multiplied by 2 into 10. 2 by 10.
Yes.
Yeah, 2 by 10. After that, we should find the common number. No, we need to find the number to simplify, which is 10. So we need to do 5 in 2 by 5 into 2, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, I got the
Then
answer of
after-
fourth one.
Yes, Siddhi, please wait. I will come. Yes.
Ma'am,
Now, which will get cancelled
2,
now? 2
ma'am,
and
we
2.
got 2 by 5 into 2. Then we need to multiply that with 2 by 1.
Yes, 2 into 1. No.
Yeah, 2 into 2 by 1. Yeah, after so
2 into
then
1 is
we
2.
need-
5 into 1 is 5. That's all remaining. Remaining all got cancelled. Only 1, 2 will remain in the numerator.
yeah, then we need to do 5 into 2.
5 into 2, where is it? You cancelled already. Here only 1, 5 is there. 1 is there. That's all. 2, 2
Then we
got
need
cancelled.
so the answer is 5.
2 by 5.
2 by 5. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Cancelled
Siddhi.
all 3 2s.
Yes, Siddhi.
Excuse
Okay,
me,
third question, all of you completed?
And 5 by 1
Yes,
is the first.
completed.
Ma'am, what is the answer of first and second question?
First
And
question.
what is the
answer
second
is 5 by 5.
question? What is the second question?
Ma'am, what is the first question
Second
answer?
question
ma'am?
answer is 5 into 3 divided by.
Ma'am, what is the answer of first question?
First question answer is 2 by 5.
Ma'am, not 4 by 10. Answer is 3 by 2 by 3, right? Ma'am, I got 4 by 10.
Where?
Ma'am, 2
4 by 10. Once again, you cancel it.
Oh, ma'am, again. Oh, you want. Okay, ma'am. I understood. Okay.
I don't understand the second one, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
others. Now, who is having doubt now?
Ma'am, fourth one answer is 2 by 3, right?
Yes, let me see now. Check it.
Ma'am,
Third problems,
second
all of you
one-
completed 3 problems.
Ma'am, what is the second one answer and third one answer?
Second one answer is 3 by 4.
Ma'am, the second
3
one.
by 4.
What is third one answer then?
Third one answer is what?
1.
1.
So first you get 12 by 12, right? And then you
No,
reduce.
2 by 5. First one.
Not 4, not that. For the 6 into 2 by 12, first you get 12 by 12, then you reduce
2
it
by
to-
2. It's 2 by 2. It's 2 by 2. 1.
How 2 by 2?
Okay, 12 by 12 is also correct. He is multiplying and doing.
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Okay.
Manav is multiplying and making. Don't make it bigger and bigger. Cancel there itself.
okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I did not understand the second one.
Second one,
What is the fourth one?
5 into 3 divided by 20. You can write it as 4 into 5.
4 into
5 and 5 will get
5.
cancelled. Remaining is 3 by 4.
What is
Ma'am,
fourth
third
one
is
answer?
5 by
Fourth question, we can go for the fourth
2 by
question.
3.
Yeah, I got it.
7 divided by 1 into 2 by
2 by
21.
21.
Yes, who is calling?
Ma'am,
Any one of you talked. All together don't talk. Who is talking?
Ma'am, fifth question answer is 2 by 2 and 1, right?
Yes, I am coming to that. Wait.
Yes.
And what is the answer for the second question?
7 by 1.
Ma'am, what is the
What
answer
is
for
the
the
answer
second
for second
question?
question? Manas, what is the answer for second question?
3 by 4.
3 by?
4.
3 by 4.
Okay, ma'am.
Fourth question, you will get the answer as 2 by 3.
3 by 4 is the answer.
Fifth one, you can do it.
Fifth one 2 by 2 and 1.
Yes, 2 by 8.
2 by 2 and 1.
4 by 1 into 2 divided by 4 into 2. 2 get cancelled. 4 will get cancelled. Answer is 1. Yes, Felix, your answer is correct there.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
the number we can simplify. The number we should that can be simplified. To simplify that number, we should multiply a number with a particular number, right?
Yes.
In this case, I'm doing the second question. I had a network issue, so we have 20.
Yes.
It is a we can simplify 20. So if we should simplify 20, we should have a number that can be multiplied with another number that can make 20. So here we can take, we can do 4 into 5.
Yes.
5 is there in a 5 by 1.
Yes.
So we can simplify that, like that only we can simplify.
Yes.
Ma'am, so if we cannot simplify a number, then what we will do?
You write numerator, multiply numerator with numerator,
Okay,
denominator
ma'am.
with denominator, and
Okay.
finalize it.
Okay, ma'am.
That's all. Shall we go to the next one? Fraction.
Yes, ma'am.
Fraction.
Ma'am, 3 by 4 is the second question answer.
Yes, I think.
Ma'am, I didn't understand like this question. 2 by 5 by 2
What?
by 5 into. Ma'am, I didn't understand this question. To like this 2 by 5 and 5 by 6.
I will tell you. I will tell you. Listen now. 2 by 5 into 5 by 6. These are two fractions. 2 by 5 into 5 by 6 are the two fractions here. So you can write 2 by 5 into 5 by 6. 6 you can write in the multiplication table for 2 into 3. Again, you can cancel 5 from both sides here. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Nothing is remaining in the numerator. So you write it as 1. Here also,
EVS2 class after this
1
class.
into 3, you will get it as 3.
No, there is no EVS2 class after this class.
So you will get it as 1 by 2.
It's time up very fast.
Ma'am, the answer for the third question is 1.
Yes, I think.
Yeah.
Ma'am, it became
Ma'am,
time up
fifth
very fast.
question answer. Ma'am, fifth question answer, ma'am.
Fifth question also 1 answer. 1. Okay, time over now. Bye bye. See you in the next class.